Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, a big warm welcome to you. Today we're diving into the world of DIY face masks, your secret weapon to unlocking that radiant, lit from within glow we all crave. Trust me, gorgeous skin doesn't have to mean spending a fortune on fancy products. Some of the most effective ingredients are probably already chilling in your pantry. We're talking natural, potent ingredients that can work wonders for your skin without breaking the bank. Get ready to unleash your inner DIY queen and treat your skin to some love with these amazing face mask recipes. First up, let's whip up a mask that's perfect for all my dry skin girls and guys out there. This mask is all about deep hydration and gentle exfoliation to reveal that dewy, radiant complexion. You're going to start with 2 tablespoons of raw, organic honey. Remember, quality ingredients equal amazing results. Honey is a humectant, babes, which means it attracts and locks in moisture like a dream. Plus, it has natural antibacterial properties, so it's amazing for keeping those pesky breakouts at bay. Next, grab your plain yogurt. We're using plain yogurt because it contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps to slough away dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. It also helps to balance your skin's pH levels, which keeps everything happy and healthy. Alright, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to your honey and give it a good mix. Now here's a little Huda Beauty pro tip. Before applying any mask, it's super important to cleanse your skin thoroughly. I'm talking a double cleanse, removing all traces of makeup and impurities. You want to create a clean canvas for those amazing ingredients to work their magic, right? Once your skin is squeaky clean, apply a generous layer of this honey yogurt goodness all over your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Now comes the best part. Relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. While you wait, you can put on some music, sip on some herbal tea, or just chill and unwind. Self-care isn't just about what you put on your skin. It's about taking time for yourself, my loves. After the time's up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Don't rub, darlings, just pat, and there you have it. Feel that? Your skin should feel super soft, supple, and oh so hydrated. You can use this mask once or twice a week, depending on your skin's needs. Trust me, this mask is a game changer, especially during the colder months when our skin tends to dry out. It's like a tall glass of water for your face. Now let's move on to another amazing mask, perfect for my sensitive skin beauties. If your skin is prone to redness, irritation, or just needs a little extra TLC, this mask is about to become your new BFF. It's packed with ingredients that are gentle yet effective, calming and nourishing sensitive skin like a dream. We're talking about the dynamic duo, oatmeal and banana. Both are known for their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, making them ideal for even the most delicate skin. Let's start with the oatmeal. We want to use finely ground oatmeal for this recipe, so if you have rolled oats, just give them a quick blitz in a blender or food processor until they reach a fine, powdery texture. Oatmeal is a natural skin soother, babes. It helps to calm irritation, reduce redness, and even out skin tone. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage. We're talking next-level skin saving here. Next up, grab a ripe banana. Bananas are rich in vitamins A, B6, and C, as well as potassium and antioxidants, all amazing for your skin. They help to hydrate, soften, and improve elasticity. Mash half a banana in a bowl until you get a smooth, lump-free paste. Now combine 2 tablespoons of your finely ground oatmeal with the mashed banana. Mix it well until you have a nice, even consistency. Remember what I said about cleansing? Always start with a clean face. Once your skin is prepped and ready, apply a generous layer of this creamy, dreamy mask all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let this mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. You deserve this moment of relaxation, queen. While you wait, let's talk about consistency. You don't need to do a DIY mask every single day. Start with once or twice a week and see how your skin responds. Listen to your skin, it will tell you what it needs. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. You can use a soft washcloth to gently remove any residue, but be super gentle. Once you've rinsed off the mask, pat your skin dry and admire that healthy, radiant glow. Your skin should feel incredibly soft, soothed, and perfectly balanced. This mask is a lifesaver for those days when your skin is feeling a little extra sensitive or reactive. Now, are you ready for a mask that tackles multiple concerns? Let's spice things up with our next recipe. The turmeric and aloe vera mask. your skin's new best friend. This mask is a true multitasker, babes. We're combining the anti-inflammatory and brightening powers of turmeric with the soothing and hydrating benefits of aloe vera to create a mask that tackles acne, redness, hyperpigmentation, and dullness. It's like a one-way ticket to flawless skin. Let's start with turmeric, the golden child of skincare. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant with incredible anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to calm inflammation, reduce redness, fight acne, and even out skin tone. Plus, it gives your skin this beautiful, healthy glow. Next, we're using aloe vera, the ultimate skin soother. Aloe vera is known for its incredible healing properties. It helps to soothe irritation, reduce redness, hydrate the skin, and even fade acne scars. It's a must-have for all skin types, especially sensitive or acne-prone skin. For this mask, you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. If you don't have an aloe vera plant at home, you can buy pure aloe vera gel online or at most drugstores. In a bowl, combine the turmeric powder and aloe vera gel. Mix them well until you get a smooth, lump-free paste. Remember, we want a nice, even consistency for optimal application. Now, for the millionth time, make sure your face is clean and dry. We want to give those amazing ingredients a clean canvas to work their magic. Once your skin is prepped and ready, apply a thin layer of this golden goodness all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Now here's a little disclaimer. Turmeric can temporarily stain your skin, especially if you have a lighter complexion. But don't worry, the stain will fade within a few hours, or you can easily remove it with a gentle cleanser and warm water. It's always a good idea to do a patch test on your inner arm before applying any new mask to your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. Now relax and let this mask work its magic for about 10 to 15 minutes. Again, this is your time to unwind, de-stress, and pamper yourself. You deserve it. After 10 to 15 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. You might need to gently massage your skin to remove any turmeric residue. Once you've rinsed off the mask, pat your skin dry and say hello to a brighter, more radiant complexion. Your skin should feel calmer, smoother, and oh so glowy. This mask is a game changer for those days when your skin needs a little extra love and attention. And there you have it, babes. 3 amazing DIY face mask recipes that will transform your skin from dull and tired to radiant and glowing. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so try to incorporate these masks into your routine once or twice a week for best results. Now, let's move on to the outro. Until next time, glow-getters. So there you have it, my loves. 3 easy, affordable, and super effective DIY face mask recipes that will have your skin glowing from within. Remember, taking care of your skin is a form of self-love. So pamper yourself with these natural ingredients and enjoy the amazing results. Don't forget to share your DIY face mask experiences down below in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, tricks, and DIY beauty solutions. Until next time, stay beautiful.